Okay, we've opened Excel XP and closed that helpful window over on the right hand side. Now we want to enter in the information as shown in the manual, and we're going to speed up that entry a little bit here, and we're getting there. And once we've added this last bit of information, we want to click in cell C12 and type the equal sign, click in A12, the multiply sign or asterisk, and then click in B12 and press enter. And then we want to copy that down over those cells, and then we want to click in D10 and click the auto sum and add up those figures, and then click in D18 and the auto sum and add those, and then we want to click in D20, type equals, click in D10, the plus sign, and D18 and press enter. And now we want to go to the file menu, save, and we're going to give it a name of deposits and click the save button. And now we can close that. And then we want to go to file menu, open, and from the looking arrow select our Excel XP folder and open Excel XP test. And now click on the Sheet 2 tab and then the Sheet 3 tab, and right click on one of the VCR buttons at bottom left and select Sheet 1. And now double click on the Sheet 1 tab where the name is, and let's type My Sheet and press the enter key. And now let's go to the file menu and save as, and let's change the name to Excel XP Working, and click the save button, and let's go to the file menu and close. And now click the new button, and we want to type 1 in A1 and B1 in cell B1, and we want to type January in C1, and now click in A1 and position the cursor over the bottom right of the cell until the cursor becomes a black plus sign, and then hold the button down and drag down to row 12. And now click in cell B1 and drag copy the same way down to row 12. And now let's do the same thing for C1 and see the way these things copy. Now click in A1 and hold the control key down and do a similar drag copy, and you'll see the effect there. Now click the Smart tag and file menu and close, and no, we don't need to save that.